Hey there, nail art enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for all things trendy and fabulous in the world of nails. We're diving headfirst into the hottest nail art designs of 2024, from mesmerizing marble effects to chic negative space designs. This year's trends are taking nail art to a whole new level of sophistication and creativity. So if you're ready to elevate your nail game and stay ahead of the curve, you've come to the right place. Get ready to be inspired, because we're about to unveil the must-have looks that everyone's talking about. This is your ultimate guide to the top nail art trends of 2024. Let's get started. Ice White Star Nails. Icy white is perfect for both hot and cold weather and looks amazing on a long almond mani. The mixture of white stars and gold mono dots on top of this white base also makes this manicure seriously on trend. Flame tips. A fresh take on a French tip incorporates lively flames. Try out this design in white, or mix it up with neon or primary colors. White lines. Understated doesn't mean boring. In fact, these horizontal and vertical white lines add just the right level of interest to a fairly simple mani. Skinny French tips. There was a hot minute there where French tips were deemed very uncool, but that moment was but a flash in the pan. The French tip revival we've seen over the last few years has a stronghold on the nail community, and it's going nowhere in 2024. French tips are always classic manicure style, Roma says. Right now, we're loving a very deep, curved around French design with a minimalist, timelessly chic finish. Hazy blue. Cold girl makeup went viral at the beginning of 2023, and the trend is making its way into nails for 2024. Saunders sees light blue polish with a touch of gray, which creates a hazy blue color, emerging as a nail trend in the winter months. To add a touch of sparkle, layer your blue with a silver shimmer polish. Coquette Mani. Let those feminine wiles run free with a delicate Coquette Mani, a 2024 nail trend that's riding the coattails of balletcore and barbiecore. This aesthetic is all about cutesy girliness via pale pinks, creamy whites, and delicate details like bows and pearls. Yellow nail design. Neon yellow, mustard yellow, golden hues, and lemons. Yellow is the perfect nail color for a pink me-up. This mustard shade is super classy and looks amazing with a high gloss finish and a square cut. Simple white nails, a staple all year round. This classy, simple white manicure can literally be worn anywhere and any season. Customize the look by painting one nail a different color or adding nail art to just one nails. Peach nails. Okay, so we took this one a little literally, but who can resist these cute peaches? Not me. And since peach fuzz is 2024's color of the year, this take on the color is also bang on trend. Star nail art. Star nail art is literally everywhere. A TM and this monochrome look may be simple, but it still makes a statement. Naked French tips. If you like a subtle and natural look, Barely Their Naked French Tip is for you. Alphabet nail art. Spell out words or simply paint the alphabet. We love this set complete with a semicolon. And that's a wrap on today's journey through the mesmerizing world of nail art trends in 2024. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it inspiring and subscribe to our channel for more nailspiration every week. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Until next time, keep those nails fabulous and stay tuned for more tips, tutorials, and trend reports right here on Nail Art. Signing off. See you in the next video.